Okay, y'all, this is the 18-inch charging cord from Vegas carts, and all together, this how much it was. But you got the little thing right there that come with the instructions. But it really came up to like 190 something after shipping and handling and all of that. If you can't afford it right off the bat, do like me and go through a firm, and they'll set it where you can make payments every month. Yeah, y'all gotta excuse my hand, I cut it trying to put up a fence. Okay, and this the rectifier, right? Okay, it's the rectifier, and I already know what that is. That's the flywheel. And this is the charging cord. It's kind of heavy, but it look decent, right? And this is the flywheel. They say the flywheel will have 4 magnets on it, but I don't see no magnets. And I guess this is another cord that go to the rectifier, see. I guess then you're gonna hook it up like you would probably normally hook up any charging cord, right? Some screws with it, that's cool. I already have some, but if I gotta use these even better, because they're a little bit flatter right there at the top, and the other ones is kind of thick, so I guess they might have made them flat so they can have more clearance when they put them on in the flywheel. So I'm probably gonna need a 10 millimeter. That look like a 10, though. That's an 8 milliliter, and probably the 10 when you get on the inside, and the big thick one, you know. Well, let's get to it. All right, this is the 8 millimeter. Took me all day to find it. Dang. It's a brand new one, so it might take a little longer to take it off than normal. Right. Now you don't have to take this part off, just right here. Okay, now you get your you could use an impact, or you could use a brake bar, or just a regular socket. Me, I'm gonna use the impact because I just was in a wrestling match with it, and I ain't feel like wrestling no more. So I'm gonna put it down, see if y'all can see it. It's my girl Medusa right there. She lazy. So you take that off. You're gonna have this right here, right? You put that back on there. Wait, first you take your flywheel off. Right? Put this back on here, like this here. Let me show it to you. See, that way you won't damage this when you hit it. So now you hit it. Let me hold it. Hopefully it come off at one time for y'all. Right? You hit it like that to get this flywheel to shake. To get the flywheel loose. I'll take this loose too. Ooh, we got this stuff in there hard. There you go. Now you want to take that off too, because it's going to get in the way. taking off your flywheel. See? Hit that again one more time. See, this is a brand new Predator engine, y'all, so it's gonna be a little bit harder. Hold up. Get my screwdriver. Okay, I finally got the flywheel off. Let me tell you something. That was a workout, y'all. Kind of wiggle it off of there. Boom. Now you can see the two magnets inside this flywheel. Alright. Now, you're gonna put that flywheel up. See this here? You're gonna take that off. You don't need that no more. This is a charging coil. It normally comes with one. Now they have two. The one you can, something you can buy 2 charging coils, and it'll be 3 amps. But this here by itself, I think it's just 1.5 amps. Also, this key right here, you want to make sure that key stay in place, or just make sure you don't lose it. There you go. Take this off. Take both of those off. So you're gonna take that and loosen it up. You don't necessarily have to take it off. All you do is lay there. You'll never help nobody with nothing. Okay, now we got that off. You're gonna take and put this here on. Same way like this here. I think I'm gonna put mine. Okay, I want to put mine where the wire come like the old joint. It also got these little things on it, look like, see, where it can fit in there, so you'll know, kind of like know what side it go on. See? Hold on, y'all. Let me put this on. I'm gonna get back to it. You're gonna use the same bolts you had. Hold on, I need 2 hands. Maybe I can sit it right there so y'all can see it. Oh, Deuce is still in my shot. There you go. Alright, I ran into a little issue. See that screw right there? The normal screw, the 8mm right here, it was too thick, right? So I took an old screw, good thing I don't throw no screws away, and put it in there, and it was just enough clearance to put it on there, right? So now I'm gonna just tighten them up and match them up like you would do, you know, a normal engine coil. I mean a charging coil, you know, those of you who have put them on there before, right? You gotta be careful because you don't want to strip none of these things, you know. So you snug it, but you don't put it too, you know. Okay. And now I'm gonna take the new flywheel I got right here and put it on there. Okay, let me see if I can put the camera right here for y'all. This is a lazy dog. Producer, come hold this camera, girl. I'm gonna just try to put it on there for y'all. Now you see where the key at. You wanna match that key with this here. Try to slide it on there like you did the other one. Should be easier to put them on. Ooh. This sucker just went on there like it had a magnet on it or something. But you want it to match up with that flywheel. There it go. You see? Okay. And you're gonna put this back on. But you want to take like a cord or something, you know, and put it in between there. Like a business card. Put it in between there. Because that's how much space you're gonna need from your motor, right? So first you want to get that motor in there, and it's not on there all the way, but I'm gonna get it right. I just want to put the flywheel right. Try to match those up. These with these holes right here. See. Come on now. Okay. Yep. Let me see. Okay, y'all, I put the flywheel on. I needed both hands. But it got 3 holes that gotta match up with this flywheel, right? And then you wanna put that on. Then they got 3 holes in there that gotta match up. Plus this little hole right there, you see it? And then, like I said, you want to take a business card normally, but I don't have that, so I'm just fold this piece of paper up a couple times and see if that's gonna work. Alright? You don't want this too close to the magnet, because if you hit that magnet, it could break your magnet. Then you'll be in trouble. You gotta buy a whole nother flywheel, because they don't sell magnets for the flywheel, right? Happened to me. Okay, boom. Spin it around, see this. Come on now. I think that's enough room. Okay. Oh, I'm working with 1 battery today, y'all. I was too lazy to bring it outside. Lock it down. I don't feel like that was enough, but you don't want to do it too tight, but you also don't want it too loose. You know? I think that might be tight enough. Let me use my screwdriver. Make sure it's tight. Yeah. Okay. Now it seems like everything is good. Spin around the magnet, not touching. So now I'm gonna just put this back on, and y'all already know how to do all that. So thank y'all for watching the video, and if you like it, You can subscribe, and I'll just try to put more videos out. I'm gonna have to put those in next, but I'm gonna show y'all how to do that on another video. All right. Appreciate you for watching. Reduce. Hey. All right, catch y'all next time.